The Nigerian exchange closed on a positive note amid sell-offs and buying interest as the benchmark wholesale index appreciated by 19 basis points, closing at 47,882.73 points to reflect a growth of 0.19% from the previous trading day, while year-to-date performance has gone up as at 11.16%. Meanwhile, the market capitalization increased by 47.53 billion at the close of market on Tuesday. The stock exchange market valued currently stand at 25.59 trillion naira at the end of the day. The market breadth, however, closed negative as Seplat led 15 gainers and 34 losers, topped by Cotis at the end of yesterday's trading sessions. The stock market has advanced by 4,766.29 basis points since the start of the year. Look at the volume, specifically stock market trading summary for March 1st of March 2022, and looking at the deals. In terms of the number of deals, about 6,045 went up as high as 11.24%, while volume went up by 23.20%, and value standing at 183.41%. That's in terms of monetary terms of value, 7.85 billion at the close of yesterday. Let's look at the top gainers for March 1st. Got Seplat, Royal Legs, Courtville, Veristacap, and FCMB at the top of 5 gainers there, with Seplat doing about 9.99% to close at 949 naira 80 kobo for the stock of Seplat there. That's about 85 after adding about 85 naira 90 kobo at the close of Tuesday. Royal Legs coming second there with for 9.49%, while Courtville doing 9.09%. Veristacap went up as 4.5%. But on the flip side now, looking at the decliners, Len Africa, you look at the Caverton, R2 Briscoe, Cotis in the red there. For the stock of Cotis losing about 10%. That's about 27 kobo at the close of Tuesday. So let's a good time to bring in Mr. Ambrose now. Ambrose Samodian is a regular analyst on the show, Chief Research Officer, Investor Consulting Limited. Mr. Ambrose, thank you for joining us. We appreciate you. Now, look at yesterday, the proceeding on the stock market yesterday. Despite the negative sentiment in global stock market, we're still seeing a bit of rebound within our local market there. So what was the catalyst for the local market yesterday?
Yeah, actually, the market yesterday was a mixed market. I would say yes, market closed positive about 0.20% off, which is good. But as you said, globally we are seeing a mixed market. Why the oil price is running up, some of the markets are still on the southward movement. But I believe that our market is kind of moving in the direction of what we are seeing in the mature market instead of them. Why? Because our earnings season is just entering the peak. At the same time, the company's performance in our own market and their payouts are really impressive. Despite that yesterday, the trading pattern yesterday was not too impressive to me, because as we are seeing impressive numbers and payouts, some investors or traders are taking profit, which I always emphasize that as a trader investor in this market, don't be carried away with market direction, either in the up direction or the down direction. Always allow your stop loss, your emotion to you're supposed to guide you, and emotion should go out of your decision, so that once you make profit, cash out your profit and not to go cash and not to come back to the market. So yesterday I can see that there was some of the some major stocks that people are taking profit, or they are only for 50 because of the political unrest or tension in the mature economy. But I believe that if you look at the economic data here and the company results are coming, our economy and the results are showing that we are still having a good economic recovery, and the companies are doing well to support the prices. That means for me, any pullback at this point will create the opportunity for traders to take advantage of the market and position for a peak of anything, because
let's look at the sector now, the sector movement, the performance of some of the sectors yesterday, except for NSE 30, that's still in the red by 0.01%. We're seeing the banking sector gain about 0.55%, insurance in the green. Most of the sectors except for the oil sector, which declined by 0.21%. I think all the sectors, including the NSE board, doing about 0.74%. All the sectors except for NSE Oil and NSE 30 all went up. Also give us that the analysis and what is happening, the development happening with some of the sectors and movement there.
Yeah, actually, if you look at the market performance yesterday, I will tell you that as you mentioned, most of the sectoral index are in red, apart from the oil and gas sector that was up about 5.26. If the other sector were red, especially bank lost about 0.75, then insurance was about 1.37 down. But the oil sector shows that the capital position or capital or inflow of funds into sector today, that changed the narrative for the oil sector. For sector to gain almost 10% yesterday. That's why I see that the sector index was up, significantly by 5.38. It tells that switch and also going to the future, see, because nobody knows how long this tension in each move will last. As far as that tension is, oil prices are likely to also to remain in up direction. And at the same time, settlers also release their audited results for 2021, and they are paying about $2.25 for a cent, and that's about another 11 naira or 10 naira. And this company sector has consistently in the last every quarter paid the dividend and quarterly dividend. That is the new policy of the company. That alone has also shown where the company is going. And secondly, they are acquiring also some property of Mobile International. So for me, it's a good thing for Seplat. It shows that Seplat is ready to expand its business at the same time, take advantage of what is happening to that sector as we speak now. And that will expect that Owando will be thinking, but Owando did not get to just the direction we are going. That's why the price remains where it is. For Owando to remain at 4 naira, for me it's another direction, because even the kind of business they have for the asset they have in that oil sector, it's higher than that of Seplat. But Seplat, because they are transparent and investors are confident in the direction, should expect it in that company, and also they are checking out good results and good number. That's why it doesn't have the kind of positive sentiment for the stock. But I believe that the two banks in banking sector are there today, because they were probably taking most of the banking stock. The two banks in insurance, the two banks in consumer goods, and the bank of industrial goods. It's an opportunity for traders to buy, especially that's what you know, price action and the stop loss, to know exactly where the market is and where the stock is. If you know exactly what it is, you know what to jump in and what to jump out, because it's not a time to invest and watch it. The volatile market call for a special risk management, because every investor in the market must have tools to manage its own risk. If not, because in that point,
what's the movement? Let's look at the market for the day now. So what's happening now? What's the movement like? So what's the sentiment playing out in the market? And given the fact that, of course, some investors or analysts are saying that the performance we've seen yesterday should be sustained today.
Yeah, yes, it's possible, but I tell you, the more the tension in Russia and Ukraine, the more it becomes tense, I think that may also slow down investor participation in any market. But the good thing is that, for me, as far as the big also national economy are trying to win, to go for diplomatic discussion and all this, if they do that, it might slow down what is happening in Russia and Ukraine. But as we speak, because of this trend now, I think that there's a lot of slowdown in different parts of the world. What is going to happen? That's why we are seeing the market here today. I think that the pattern of business was not too impressive for me, because market is the money today further put up our return level just as high as 47,600 you do.